Hey guys, it is Dash Armstrong, and today we are doing a Corona Asos review. Yes, Corona Asos review. Do that make sense? Do that go together? Probably don't go together. But today we're reviewing some clothes from Asos, and I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, this shirt is from Asos, and this scarf that I got wrapped around my head is from Urban Outfitters. Alright guys, so I just have my clothes like here. The first shirt we're gonna try on is this. This is from Asos because Asos like put their name right on there. So this is Asos. I like the material of this. It's like a cool material. And I love styles like this. Don't get mad at me, I forgot the name of the style, but I love shirts that stop like right here. It's like a money maker to me. It's like, yes, I need you to survive. Okay, so let's try this sucker on. Okay, this is dope. And I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna keep these I got leather jeans on right now, so I'm gonna keep the leather jeans on. And I just got these dope, I should have came on here and I should have known the knowledge of what shoes I got on right now, but I'm gonna list them below. I'm a little bad with stuff like that. But they're a collab with J.W. Anderson, yes, and Converse. So, yeah. So. Let's add a hat. I think a hat would be. Let's add hats. You know, pretty boy swag, pretty boy swag, pretty boy swag. All right, so let's spin on the next outfit. I'm gonna get a little taste with the next outfit. I like this piece because it's like colorful and it's like, this is from Asos as well. This is like colorful. Again, the material, I got these pieces because they're lightweight and I can wear them through summer and winter. Winter, you can just layer. This is another lightweight piece. It's like dope. Let me take it back. Has this little belt here. I've seen a lot of people wear it in different ways, but again, I'm gonna try it with this leather pants on and chucks. Might give y'all a little fedora or snapback, we might see. So, as you see, I love buttoning it up to the top because I know it gives it like a low-key Cali LA feel. This is very lightweight. You know, I like it. I like the little details. How do we feel about this snapback? So I bought this hat thinking this, you know, can be dope because my name is Dash. But my best friend was like, bitch, that's from Detroit. Like, that's a Detroit hat. So I'm repping Detroit, which is okay. You know, I usually squeeze my brims. It gets a little bit more better fit to my head. Or we can try the fedora. The fedora can work too. I feel like the fedora would be like the winter. I usually arm my brims, but I did not do that for this video. That's kind of why it's like out of shape. And plus I didn't have it turned the right way. So if you just iron the brim, it usually works out. Let's try on the next outfit. This is also from Asos, so I guess all these pieces are from Asos. This is a denim piece, and again, it has the same style as that other one before. I'm gonna get the name for you before the end, or I'll probably put it underneath. And here we go, here's the denim. It's like a little bowling shirt, you know, it's like a cute little situation. By the way, we are rough. Do not judge this. We are rough. It's quarantine time. No place, barbershop, no nothing is open. Relax. So let's try it on with a hat. With a hat. With a hat. Hat. Higgity hat. As you know, I'm just doing all these outfits with my J.W Anderson chucks and my leather pants. And then I'm about to do my last outfit. It's gonna be a combination of 2 shirts. I'm gonna tell you where they're from. I think these 2 pieces are from Asos as well. Is this long line, and then this turtleneck, which is mad dope. This white long shirt gonna be wrinkled because who got time to iron it for YouTube? Not me. Not me. All right, so next time you see me, I'll be in this. See, I like this shirt. I don't know if you're supposed to take these things off underneath. I don't know. Back in the day, we used to keep them on side as, you know, go by. You know, how I used to do it, but I'm doing all of those poses because I might screenshot a picture from it and post it on Instagram, just so you guys can know. So then we have this bag. Yo, this shirt is dope. I ain't gonna even lie to you. When I seen it, it was $45, and I was like, $45? I planned on spending $100 on a bunch of sale stuff that I had in my cart, but when I seen this, I was like, I've been looking for a long line white button up. Look at it. You gotta get into the detail. So, let's try it on. So this can be a fit. You know, even though it's like, you know, giving you like a little Dexter laboratory right now. Feel the vibe. Feel the vibe. I'm gonna lose this shirt, lose this hat, and we're gonna do a little outfit change. Yeah, that definitely gives me like a much better feel without the turtleneck. It can be a look with the turtleneck in the winter, but without it just gives a little bit more swag. And even, you can even switch the hat to something like this. Yeah. Even something like this would be like the winter, like let me give y'all a look. You can like New York it up and put a New York Yankee hat on. Here we go. In New York. look. See, and this just gives like a whole daddy summer vibe. Take the turtleneck off, you know, add some chains. You already know. You already know. Daddy vibes. You already know. Alright, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my Asos. Not boohoo anymore because I thought I had some boohoo pieces in there. I'll do that probably in another video. But thank you guys for checking out my Asos vlog. Again, all these materials and pieces are lightweight. That turtleneck is hot as hell. It's not lightweight, but it's dope as fuck. You can even do the turtleneck with this hat. You know, you can play with it. But hope you guys enjoyed my Asos Coronavirus 19 Asos review. That's the home opinion caption. Coronavirus Asos review. Guys, be safe. Wear gloves, wear masks, get your lights on, your hand sanitizer, your wipes, wherever you go. Make sure you stay on top of that, and you guys stay blessed and subscribe. I said subscribe, but why would I go down there? Like, you can't click down there. Subscribe right here. I'm gonna put it right over my big ass face. Follow, like, and leave a comment. Don't be dry. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. All right, guys. Y'all have a great day.